Creating a personal brand doesn't happen overnight, and it could feel overwhelming to build your presence from ground up, from scratch. And to help you get organized on how to further develop your personal brand, here are 4 questions to ask yourself to establish a solid foundation. But before we jump in, remember, your personal brand is the complete extension of who you are and what you stand for. Ultimately, it is what differentiates you from your competition, and it's something that no one can ever take away from you. So it's important to look with it. Which brings me to my first question that you'll need to answer. What am I passionate about? There should always be a key focus behind your personal brand that you genuinely feel very passionate about. Identify both your personal and professional passions, as your personal brand tend to be a blend of your current expertise infused with the stories and the lessons that you have learned from a real-life experience. There is really no shortcut in building an influential personal brand. It takes hard work, persistence, and patience, so it's best to be passionate about the entire journey. The second question to ask yourself is, what am I good at? When laying the foundations of your personal brand, be sure to focus on your strength and focus on that as your advantage. For example, are you a great public speaker? Or are you a good photographer? Define the areas that you are strong in and don't try to be something that you're not. Authenticity is key in personal branding, so you want to showcase your genuine, true self to your audience and your customers. Alright, now the third question is a big one. What gives me credibility? There is a saying, brand yourself before others do. So think about it. What skills have I acquired throughout my life experiences? What trainings have I gone for? What credentials, certification, awards, or proven success stories that I have done to establish my credibility? If there's something that you want to be known for, you need to be actively engaged in writing, training discussions, or attending conferences or summits on that particular topic to be recognized as an authority. It's very easy for someone to create a website and label themselves as experts today, unfortunately. But the worst thing is that you label yourself as a thought leader and not have any experience or any education to back that up. So start thinking about where you already are credible and what you need to do to become more credible. And that clear credibility will help you to generate trust and an online following, and thus more leads and higher paying clients. And finally, the fourth question that you want to ask yourself is, what are your personal branding goals? Your specific goals can help your brand mission and strategy to take shape. Some of the most popular personal branding goals are to increase brand awareness. It could be to generate more leads, grow your professional network, to leverage on more media press or even industry collaborations, or even to monetize your digital presence. Sometimes you may want to open the doors to more opportunities like public speaking or a publishing deal. But as you start to put your ideas from pen to paper or from fingers to keyboard of all your answers to this brand, your brand foundation will start to take shape. If you have any questions with regards to these 4 questions that you're going to be asking yourself, leave them in the comments below and I'm sure to have a look at all your comments.
If you have gained something from this video, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you will never miss another video like this.